Yo, good morning, everybody. Good morning. How are we doing? I hope everyone had a fantastic weekend. How are we doing, everybody? Dodgers the best team to ever do it, bro. That game was incredible. My heart was racing so fast. Oh my god, that was crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Thoughts on the red folder week? It should be a good week. Do we have NFP this week? So, are we gonna have news or not? I have no idea. I don't know if we're gonna have news or not, but the government's still shut down, so I'm not sure what they're doing with that. But unfortunately, yes, I'm gonna say unfortunately, we have this NWOG SMT again. Honestly, I'm getting pretty sick of this. I'm not gonna lie. I don't mind upside, but I just don't like the lows that we put in. Obviously, we're not gonna probably have a retracement before we take out these highs at 270s. But yeah, we're right back up to where we were on Friday before we sold off. So I think Friday highs is probably the most likely draw here, and then we'll see what happens after that. We'll take it slow going into this week. So let's see, Forex Factory. Let's look at it again. We're supposed to have PMI today. We'll wait for that and see what's good, but I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if we're gonna get it or not. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know. If you guys didn't see, Apex is running a sale. They're not discounted accounts really. They're 70% off, but they have $40 PA fees, which is crazy. That's the lowest I've ever seen it. So it was funny because these are my PAs up here, my 14 PAs. I'm gonna request another 28K on Friday. I got rebuilt 39 accounts last night or 2 nights ago, right before the $40 PA fee thing. So I'm gonna see if we have PMI or if you have a NFP, I'll try to pass the bigger ones using NFP. But a good time to get them renewed. But I'm not gonna lie, these renewals were very expensive. These 250Ks were $100 each. These were $80 each. I would have canceled them, but I didn't realize I had so many renewing. So yeah, this cost a couple thousand. I'm not gonna lie, it was a lot. All right, ES is extremely weak here. We already moved down 10 points on ES. So look at the difference between ES and NQ. Just a grind up last night. If you guys look at the hourly chart, I just feel like these lows weren't good lows. We had equal lows there. The 5-minute, we had a lot of equal lows. The hourly time frame, we have a hourly gap here, but we had SMT within the hourly gap. So a lot of SMT. We had SMT in the new week opening gap. We had SMT here, new week opening gap, hourly gap SMT, hourly gap SMT. It looks like the draw is going to be 275, so we'll see if we can get a play up until that. I wanted lower overall. I was bearish going into the start of this week, but you guys know the market never goes down, so it is what it is. Game took years off my life? No, seriously. Chat, make sure you drop a like on the stream. Make sure you drop a like on the stream. Let's get after it. Is my face cam too big? I don't know. I think it's. What do you guys think? Is the face cam too big or no? Loki, yeah, I think so too. I'm put it down a little bit. I'll put it down just a tad bit. I think that's good. That's better. I looked at it, I thought it was a little bit. It's a little wide. Let me see. Is that better? I thought that's kind of too small, but it's fine. We got the good quality with a darker background back. Alright, ES really dumped here off open. Almost 14 points from highs. What do you think about trading cups? Do you think high performers are really good traders or gamblers? They're definitely gamblers. 100%. I gotta trade mine too, but they're definitely gamblers. No doubt. No doubt. Definitely a lot of gambling happening. Maybe inverse is 5 minute. I know, I'm looking at this. ES looks really good. Do we really leave the Friday highs like that? I think this hourly draw has my attention here. ES is going to sweep this hourly low again. I think ES takes this hourly low again and maybe NQ come down to this one. We'll see. But I do think ES is going to come down to this low. That'll be good, I think. We got some low resistance liquidity here, but so far this trend line is kind of holding. So we'll see. Yeah, ES down into these lows would be good. Let me mark you with the horizontal ray so you can see the price of it. 85. Alright, we got a 1 minute inversion here that held earlier. This gap held earlier. It's probably in a 15 minute. No, we're not. Yeah, ES is going to take out these hourly lows again. I'm going to be a little cautious here because these are the hourly lows, like I said, on ES. Let's go to the hourly gap. If we're going to SMT here, probably again, this would be the area to do so. So we'll see how 85s react. Yo, ES done 20 points off open. What a nasty open on ES. Alright. If you were short, this would be a good area to take profit because ES will stick out his hourly low again. If we get some possible SMT here. I want to see a continuation lower, but just in case. But just in case. Almost 100 points on IQ as well. I keep getting pop-ups on my screen. Why? It looks very aggressive, chat. It looks pretty aggressive. And Q's got to create an OB here. The hourly gap isn't too far. It's like 40 points away. Over the 4 hour. Alright, so NQ and ES 4 hour look a little different. ES is probably not going to do much, but NQ looks like it'll create a 4 hour gap here. We'll get this to probably the next new hour. We also have some red folder on the new hour. I hope so. I want to see the Sunday gap. That's would be my ultimate target down here. But we're still at 0.7%. We gotta be a little careful. Obviously, ES is a lot weaker. Surprised we didn't take Friday's high. Very aggressive, which is good. Facts. Drop a like on the stream, chat. We'll do giveaways today. We'll do some giveaways. Alright, we got a 5-minute IFEG here. We have London lows down here. Somewhere over here on ES. This could honestly go lower here. We'll wait and see if we get like a 5-minute gap tap or something like that, and we'll take a short on this. I'll take a short down to those 1 hour lows on ES. Or NQ, excuse me. 120s. Yeah, 15 minutes getting close. Ideally we wait for the next 15 minute. Will be a new 4 hour and new hourly open too. But this 15 minute looks pretty solid. Yeah, there's news at 10. Yeah, I think 125 is the best draw this morning. I agree. I think 120s come before anything higher. This 15 minutes very good. We have some inversions here. Alright, solid 15-minute closure here. We got a 5-minute gap forward. If we go reach for those 5-minute gaps, I'll try to look for a short like that. Obviously, if we don't get like a lower time frame confirmation, we'll play higher. But I want to see this 15-minute gap get tapped into, or this 5-minute gap, excuse me, and then like a 1-minute flip. I full ported too many on the World Cup account. I should have signed into that too. Let me see. I know people were trading gold last night. Gold is actually moving, so they got some good moves off that. Chat, we need someone from Code Smart Team Smart to get on top. That'll be really good. If someone from Team Smart gets it, we all get a reward. I genuinely wonder who's gonna win this. 200K is a good amount of money. What's the drawdown? Is there consistency on the first one or no? Oh, only 2K drawdown. I don't think there's consistency on the first one, right? Damn, chat. I don't know if we're gonna get a pullback. Doesn't look like we're gonna get a pullback. Okay, that makes sense. Top 3 from Team Smart. Can someone what's good? Can you link the leaderboard? I'm actually curious. We could DM out to Discord. I think it's like 3 resets, right? Manoli. I think it's like 3 resets for the Tradeify Cup thing. Yeah, I'm looking for downside after this 5-minute gap. We'll see if we get it. Might be a breakaway gap. That's what I'm saying. There is a link for the leaderboard. I don't know where though. Yeah, I think if we get a break of structure to downside here, I'll take a short before the 5-minute gap. Like something like this, maybe. I mean, obviously, I'm going to play to the new week opening gap. I'm not going to lie. If we get a new week opening gap, that'd be good. The CE, or the CE of this hourly gap. Like 105. I think that'd be good. Ideally, though, we get a 15-minute or 5-minute tap. That'd be good. We got news here in about 10 minutes. All right, let's check out this leaderboard, guys. It's loading. I think the website's probably a little slow. They're definitely taking their sweet time with the website. It's loading. When it loads, I'll upload it up. Oh my god, we're going, bro. How do they not pull this back? Yeah, it's not loading. I think it's too many people on it. It's just too many people. Oh, I see. Okay, let me see. Oh, right here, okay. Damn, chat, we just dumped. We're going for the 120s. I wanted to get a short, but there's no pullback at all. It's kind of annoying, I'm not going to lie. Not going to lie, kind of annoyed. Very annoyed at that. Ah, fucking hell, dude. Really annoying. Alright, let's look at this. Jesus, representing 21,000 profits? What the fuck? Bro, fuck this, dude. I am not competing with this, bro. Absolutely not. This is like, you need GC like 20 point short. Goodness gracious. That's insane, dude. That's insane. All right, we got an hourly gap here. Let's see if you get a flip on the lower time frame, possibly into the 5-minute gaps. Yeah, you just need to catch it super good. But shout out Jesus representing us out here. Who else is top 20? We got Shun, Priyanka. Shout out. Honestly, we have a lot of people up here. We have top 3 in the we have 3 in the top 20. Chat, I really wanted to take a short right there. Oh my god. No 5-minute gap for tracing. Unfortunate. He says at 63K last night. What the fuck? That's crazy, bro. Whoa, what the fuck? Chat, I'm pressing all the buttons today. Alright, I think... What do you guys rate this setup right here? I honestly don't mind it into this 5-minute gap. Obviously the stop loss will not be this wide. I want to give this a go. But ES is so close to these lows too. We got 5 minutes here until the new hourly open. Chat, this is gonna be a weird bias here, cause look at ES and look at NQ. If this was ES, I would look for a short down to these new lows. I'm not gonna lie. Like hourly inversion, this looks really good. NQ is barely tapping its hourly gap. It's giving us conflicting bias here. Very conflicting bias. We got news here in 7 minutes. We'll probably wait for that. But definitely conflicting bias on the indices. I'll post it in Discord as well. I would definitely short ES on the new hourly open, but NQ looks like a buy. Alright, ES are going to go for these lows, most likely. Imagine this setups Ponzi back up. I mean, dude, that'd be crazy, but is anything really crazy these days? I feel like if I want to be confident in this short setup, I'm going to have to wait so long for this new hourly and things like that. Because I don't know how I feel about this hourly gap. ES is taking out his low again within the new week opening gap. We have such a fat SMT. There's like a 100-point SMT with ES and NQ. Like, NQ would be all the way down here. We have new week opening gap. I don't know. I'm not gonna lie. This is very conflicting bias. I wish we would have retraced here on the 5 minute. I was looking to short this, but I mean, dude, almost 150 points off open. ES, yeah, exactly. ES. Yeah, I think if we get a 1 minute inversion here, I'll look to take it long here into this high. That's the only long that I'll really be interested in. We have news here in 3 minutes, though. I'm definitely gonna wait for that first. But look, if you look at ES though, shorts look better than longs. If you look at NQ though, ES or longs look better than shorts. So it's just depending on whichever industry you're looking at. Because this to me would be a full port short into these lows down here on ES. Alright, but NQ is barely tapped into this hourly gap. Alright, let's clean up the chart a little bit here. So we swept the hourly. Let's mark out the NWOG just in case down here. We had buy side sweep up here. And we got a 1 minute gap holding still, so. Interesting. It's different looks. Alright, PMI, 2 minutes. Hopefully it gives us direction somehow. But patience is key here. Even if we do, I think it'll be 2 or 3 attempts. I agree, Chris. I'm with you on that. I think it'll be like multiple setup before higher prices if we do. Full port, what's good? No, seriously. Dude, NVOG looks so attractive though. Like this hourly gap is just, let's see what it does. ES is just dead here. My ideal long would be a SMT with the Friday lows. I can't believe, I don't know. We left these equal highs, relative equal highs up here as well. We got relative equal lows down here. Market makers are playing their game. It's just because ES and NQ are so off, right? Like NQ is up what, 0.6% almost. ES is break even on the day almost. Ever since you took the Tigger off, you fell off. I fell off, chat. I fell off. Unfortunate. Chat, I fell off, bro. I fell off. I fell off though, bro. I fell off. I fell off. I fell off, bro. I fell off. Yo, pee in my nerf, bro. Pee in my nerfed. It doesn't say jaw, it doesn't. Gold is moving. Let me full put my Tradeify account on this. Damn, bro. Bro, gold is crazy, dude. We're consolidating though the weekly gap. I'm gonna wait for a week and move out of this weekly gap. So far, so good, but oh, there goes NQ, guys. Leakerton on NQ. NWOG, anyone? What do you guys think? I think NWOG is good. Good draw. Now the real question remains: are we gonna get a 5 or 15-minute retracement? That's the big question, and it's not looking like it. It's not looking like it. No retracement in the big 25 is crazy. I think NWOG's magnet. I'm not gonna lie. I think this is magnet. It's only 100 points. Only 100 points. Chat, let's get to 100 likes. 100 likes, we'll do a giveaway. 100 likes, we'll run a giveaway. Too many long. I want 10 challenge accounts. Bros would be first in the challenge account. I'm not even gonna lie, guys. I don't even know if I have any accounts to give away. Actually, I do. Okay. I'm gonna start giving out points too. Don't worry. I'm gonna give out points too. I have 2 accounts more to give away, and after that we'll give away points. Chat, is there anything you guys like on Rona like on the marketplace, and I can relay it to Brian? Because I think we can do more than just evals for smart points. We can do like monitors, even PCs at like a discounted rate, right? Things like that. Like maybe buying a PC on the marketplace would be like $100 cheaper or $200 cheaper than the actual market rate for a PC, something like that. Something that traders use every day, maybe like a headset. Trade copier? Okay. How do you enter giveaway? Yeah, I'll show you how when we do the giveaway. I'll show you how. What's the R on this? If I was to take this right now, what would be the R on this? That's not bad. I don't like that white of a stop though. Probably like right here. What's ES Friday low all the way down here? Chat, I think I'm gonna jab this with micros. This is not a good entry though. It's not really a good entry. But we have not got any retracement. Let's see. Alright, we'll do this. Ready? We'll do this. We got the 15-minute gap here. What we'll do is, you guys see this 15-minute gap? I think if we go inversion here, this will be done for. We'll short this. Stop above here. It's actually really good. So we'll do something like this. And I'll probably have the TP down here past analog a little bit. I mean, honestly, how many points is Friday low? This is not that many points. Only 100, 200 points. I think this is a better setup and a better entry model than what we have currently going on. ES is 25 points away. So if we do get an SMT down here, it will be like, I think he'll still go like 100 points plus. I think that's good. I think that's solid. We'll wait for the 15-minute inversion and then possibly like a retracement to the 15-minute and then short it. We got 8 minutes on this 15-minute here. Good to be patient. Good to be patient. We'll wait for the 15-minute close and see what it wants to do from there. $15-minute close below this gap. We'll look to short it. We're still in an hourly, but the hourly will be. The hourly is already filling up here. I think that'd be the best entry. All right. Good reaction off the hourly so far. I'm glad we didn't mark it in there. That's good. That's good. That's good. Yeah, just give this some time. Let's give this some time. We're in higher time frame gaps here. Let's delete this real quick and see 4-hour gap here. Let's see if we get a 1 minute lower time frame flip. So far we're just getting a reaction. That's all it is. If we start running some of this LR, possibly play upside as well. Kind of neutral bias for now until that 15-minute goes. That 15-minute would be pre-running the 4-hour, but it'll be solid. It'll be solid. We got some massive SMT down here. We're gonna work, if we do move higher, we're gonna work our way into more gaps. We have a 5-minute gap here, and then obviously the main one here at 180s. SMTs at highs, SMTs at lows, low probability. I agree with you, bro. I agree. I think longs could potentially get a good move if we get some structure break above 140s. But other than that, I'm just kind of waiting around. There's really not much going on right now. Oh wait, Amazon ripped 6% today. Let's see this. did indeed. Damn, bro, after earnings, we're up like 12% total, 13%. Chat, there's not much going on right now. There is not much going on at all. AWS carry Amazon? Yeah, I'm looking at yes. We're starting to break some structure above 140s, which is good. For upside possible. No, I'm not in anything right now. But we're getting a pretty good flip here off the hourly. ES is going to be pretty high resistance. What's good, Big Galaxy? I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you. Appreciate it, appreciate it. Oh my god, I keep clicking wallpaper engine. Chat, we just gotta be patient. I think after the first initial 5 minutes, like, honestly, the opening candle hasn't been that good. Stay patient, stay patient. Alright, I think I'll give this a small jab here. If we start buying back up, I'll give this a jab. What do you guys think about this entry? This will be good if we start buying back up. If not, I'll look for lower prices. Yeah. I'll see. I'm not in this yet, but this is something that I'm eyeing right now. I'll tell you this though. If we inverse this, I will for sure short this. For the NWOG. If we get an inversion here, I'll definitely short this. And I think that's going to be the move. I'm not going to lie, chat. Let's see this. What's the RR on this? Guys, this is not going to be good RR, but we'll see. Let's see. Let's go to 1.5 at least. Those highs. All right. Chat, what's shorting this? We're gonna short this. Get the engines ready. We're shorting this. I'm gonna short this into NWOG here. I'm gonna mark it in 3 micros. If you go a little bit higher, I'll add some more. If you go to like this gap or something, we'll add some more. All right. Let me post this in Discord. I'm gonna add around like about like 115s ish probably. I like 115 ads. I'll get like a B plus setup. I'm sure. I know a lot of people who try to long that right now, but this is a little back and forth so far. We'll see what happens. So my thought process is if we reject this into NWOG, that's obviously good. If we go into 140s and inverses, then I think low of day will be in. Or like low of this session will be in. We'll see. What's gold up to? Nothing much. ChatGPT isn't providing financial or health support no more, or questions no more. It's crazy. I wonder if they got sued. We're just stuck here. I need you to confirm entry. You send a picture of the short setup or long setup to ChatGPT. It lets you know. That's funny. Alright, bro. Ank, you gotta stop playing games. This for AI tests where I had 5%. Yeah, I saw that. It was like, I think ChatGPT, someone made a model of it and it had like a 14% win rate or something. It's obviously, I mean, that's what I expected, is ChatGPT. The more time we stall out here, the worse the probability gets. We gotta make sure if we want to come down, it needs to be kind of with speed. Oh. We just need to break a structure under this. I'll be chilling. Yo, what's good, Dollar? How you been, bro? We'll do it after this trade, Bazaar. Alright, we need to close under here, it'll be good. Just gotta close under. Yeah, it's free fall. Like 2-3 knife candles will be in a row. Get like 30 points on this. Alright, one more knife candle will be good. Chat, we're going. Let's see NWOG though. What's your guys' entries on this? What's your guys' entries on this? It should be at least like 30 points. I mean, even if you're short at the bottom, that'd be like 25 points. Nice. Good move. Good move. This is about 1-to-1 here. Almost. We'll go 1-to-1. We'll go BE. And we'll trim some LB. Alright. I'm going to trim some here at 1-to-1, chat. I'm going to trim some here at 1-to-1. Cool, cool. Bam. Let's go, chat. Good fucking trades. That's 50 points here. Let's go. Go break even. Go break even right here. Go break even. And trim some too. Good fucking trades. Good way to start the week. It's like 50 points there. Type 1 in the chat if you guys took the trade. Type 1 if you guys took the trade. Beautiful trade. Beautiful. Let's go. Let's go. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. Make sure you guys took a trim and break even. Really nice move. 40 points. Pretty much zero drawdown on that. Really good. Really, really good. I'm glad we had a short bias all the way through. Even when this pop happened, I was like, oh, we created a pretty good gap for a possible inversion. And that's exactly what happened here. Really, really nice. Beautiful. ES is going for the Friday lows, which is interesting. ES actually is pretty red on the day now. 0.2%. Really fucking good trade. Great way to start the week too. A little bit iffy on the bias this morning because we punt, but we really managed as well. And that's something that I hope the streams help you guys with, is like seeing me manage my thought process and also staying patient. We could have shorted like a little bit early and got fucked, but we did pretty good. We did really well. NWOG looks really good now. We have only a couple more points to go to it. NWOG fill and the ES, maybe Friday lows would be solid here. New 5-minute just opened up on NQ here. This should at least sweep the low. Honestly, 1 hour looks inversion too. I mean, we're still 30 minutes left. I know this is what I was also bearish about because ES was so weak on the low, or in the higher time frame, so it made me even higher probability to take the short. If you guys are just tuning in, we basically shorted this 1 minute inversion here. We waited for a small pullback, stop above the high, target the lows for 2 to 1 almost. Really setup, really good setup. Almost there, almost there, almost there. I was bearish because I knew we could open a gap. That was the main reason why I was bearish. We sold off crazy off open too. We got nice momentum off open and then it just moved down. Good shit, chat. Good shit. Chat, drop a like on the stream. Drop a like on the stream. Let's run it up. Let's run it up. As soon as we're out of this trade, we'll run some giveaways as well. That was such a good short. 140 points. Thanks. Hey, good shit, bro. TMK, well done. That's the way to start the week. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Starting off on a good note. On a strong note. ES about 10 points from Friday low, so we'll see. I think what can happen is like these 5-minute gaps get created. We tap the 5 minutes and move down. Chat, on Tradeify, what is it to qualify? Or like, not qualify. How many days is it? The first phase, how many days is it? Let me go to the dashboard and see. Top 200. Top 200 at the end of 2 weeks. Fuck, dude. What's 200th place? Dude, 200 place is gonna be so much profits, dude. Top 200s compete with live capital. 200K reward for the grand champion. 200 reward with 1 million. Keep 80% of your profits. Keep your live account afterwards. And you get to keep your profits. Damn. Bottom 30% are knocked out every day. Sheesh. Damn. Why am I actually interested in this? Why am I actually interested? Alright, let's see what top 200 is. Damn, dude, top 200 is hella money, bro, on a 50K count. Bro, top 200 is $5,000. Yikes. That's a lot, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it's only 2 minis. It's not like it's crazy full port, but it's just gold, dude. You need to. The only way you can really compete with this is if you catch a move on gold, in my opinion. If you're not gonna catch a gold on move, it's gonna be kind of tough. All right, 5-minute gaps are active. NQs or ES is tapping into. I want to see this reject to lower prices. Yeah, gold's gonna be the killer, or the maker, I guess. When you start using the new intro, they're almost done with it finalized. We're gonna put a timer on it and stuff like that, and I'll put it like 5 minutes before I start my stream. Keep in mind, I think if you guys do like 5, so every week people get knocked out. I think that's what it said. Let's select Team Smart real quick though. The top traders on Team Smart have 24K, 10K, 9K, 9K, 8K. Oh, Team Smart's in 3rd place, guys. Team Smart's in 3rd place. That's really good. That's solid. That's solid. Chat, I have my trailing at 84 on my last few contracts. I'm at 7K. Nice, bro. Nice. Yep. Keep running it. Keep running it. All right. Let's do a giveaway. Let's do a giveaway. We'll do smart points. We'll do smart points. All right. We'll do 2 winners. We'll do 2 minutes. Let me see. We'll do 700 points. Actually, we'll do 600 points. 650. All right, basically, you need an account for Smart Prop Firm if you're gonna want to win this. This basically, if you win, DM me on Discord and send me your Smart Prop Firm email. All right, giveaways live. 2 minutes. Do we really just leave quadruple equal lows? That's crazy. Quadruple equal lows. How much do you need to spend to get 100 smart points? The conversion's on the website. I forgot the exact conversion. My bad. But it's not. It's like it's pretty. Giveaway not working. Hold up. My Discord crashed. Oh, my Discord crashed. There we go. It should be working. Interaction failed. Oh no. Oh no. Alright, try. Oh, there you go. There you go. It works now. Enter now. Enter now. Alright, chat. I got hit. I got hit for the rest of them. My last contract I had. Alright. Solid on Apex. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'm happy with it. I think honestly we will probably get another setup later in the day for NWOG. The winners are K4 412 and also the other. So DM me guys and I will give you guys DM me and give me your Smart Prop Firm email and I got you guys after the stream. I don't know when it'll be accredited. I'll send it over everything, the information, and it'll probably be like within a day or two. Congrats. Watch this 5-minute inversion be the low day. That'll be nutty. No, but I do think we'll get another setup probably. Chat, there'll be so many more giveaways. Don't worry, and there's a lot of entries on it. Why don't you have 20 Apex? That's a great question. I'm literally gonna try to get them today. I have so many evals that I need to do. I'll probably focus on this batch today and try to get these done and get 20. I have 14 right now. Anything under this gap right here, you can short this. So NWOG. A really good win for a Monday. I'm very happy with that. Listen, more than 50% already blew the account. I think there's one reset, right, guys? There's one reset? I believe there's one reset. Does it have how many blown accounts? Yo, there's only 12,000 people. That's actually not that much. So the knockout is at 12 or November's 14th, then they took 2 weeks off for the live accounts. Dude, first place gets $200,000. That's actually crazy. So the max you can do is 5 minis, which is... that's pretty good. I just think whoever's going to win is going to catch like a crazy gold trade. 3 restock. I think whoever wins is going to be like a good gold trade, and then they'll call it there and be done. I wonder if we go for these highs now. Later in the day. We got a 5-minute IFVG. This is for sure gonna get swept. I don't know when, but probably later, either today or tomorrow. Yeah, let's go back to the trading setup we took today. What is this? This is pretty much it, and it's... So what we had was... Go to the 5-minute here. We tapped the 5-minute gap on NQ and ES, right? So to me, that was a good rebalance. I was basically waiting for that tap all morning into a 5-minute. We left relative equal highs, which I kind of rated this like a B setup, B plus setup versus an A, because it was relative equal highs. But you guys can see on ES we took them out, so there's some SMT up there as well. 1 minute inversion here. Let's see what time this was. 1 minute inversion at 10:08. Wait for, you don't have to wait for a full tap into the inversion, but like a little small tap. Stop was slightly below the relative equal lows. TP was at NWOG, and there you go. That's a 1 to 8 trade. And a very, very high probability trade as well, because NWOG is a good target. We didn't even take NWOG out, but I think it'll come for it later. So let's actually do this. I'll take a screenshot of the whole thing. All right, that's a wrap. I mean, I'm happy with my Apex gains. Honestly, just base hitting all my way through into this entire Apex run. If you guys remember last time, I fumbled like 300, 400K payout like 10 days before I was supposed to request it. So this time around, I'm just going to take it slow. We're at 5K each. I've already taken out 2K each. $300, $500 a day, and with micros is more than enough. That's more than enough. Keep it simple. GC rejecting it daily every time. I'm gonna stay away from gold right now, just because I feel like the weekly is a little iffy. We're in a weekly gap, but I usually trade it when there's a lot of momentum on it. What you gotta do for Halloween? Anyone do anything fun? One second, I'll reach out right now. I was doing something. Gaslamp, dude, I saw a TikTok on Gaslamp, bro. It was packed. I'm glad I got a good time. Leader already at 26K, yeah. I honestly just try to get top 200, you're good. I don't know what the structure was, I'm not gonna lie. This structure in the morning was very weird. We left highs up here as well. I'm not sure what their objective was with this. It was just chopped. Like the daily really didn't have much. The 1 hour, the 15 minutes, nothing really had a lot of areas of liquidity. I don't know why they decided to pump it the way they did in London, but I was bearish because of the new week opening gap. But yeah, ES had filled it, so when ES filled the new week opening gap last night, right here, that kind of fueled the move up. With the S&T, but honestly, it was just all manipulation for the move lower today for New York. And I want to see NQ also start filling this gap a little bit. It's not a wide gap, only like 30, 40 points, but we have stacked equal lows there as well. So, what's your sizing? 3 to 5 micro so far until I get to 8K buffer. Once I get to 8K buffer, I'll do 1 mini. Oh, people were abused. Okay, that's good. So if they're gonna get reset, that makes sense. Yeah, Karma, you're not the only one. It was very confusing. The higher time frame, we really didn't reject off anything. Like I really don't know what we rejected off of. But we got the rejection, which is good. Oh, they're doing 2 ES and 20 MES. Ah, okay. You looking to take another trade? No, I think we're done for today. I mean, I'm happy with it. It's a Monday. We got a really good short. Don't really need to push any more buttons. content with today. If we do in versus 5, though, you guys can probably short until this equal lows again. All right, chat. I think I'm going to wrap it up. Beautiful short. Appreciate you guys tuning in. We'll be back live tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Eastern. We'll be live every single day this week. We'll have more giveaways for you guys as well, and we'll get more bangers going on too with the trades. If you guys are in the Discord, I'll stay on with you guys throughout the day. But if you guys are just stream only, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. All right. Peace and love, chat. Peace and love.